Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 8, and in this session we are going to study whether the alphabets, the letters wow, choti and bari are connectors or non-connectors. So just a minute. So the letter wow is a connector, and whereas choti and bari are both connectors. We study this, we understand this with a table. So here is the table, and in this table you can see that wow, the alphabet wow has only a final form with bay and wow, which is called boo. Now we see the forms of choti and bari. Here is the choti. Its independent form is the same like the alphabet, and in initial format with bay it looks like this one, okay, and in medial format it looks like this one, and in the final form it is like this one, okay. So it has an independent form, it has an initial form as well. With bay alphabet it is pronounced as yab, and in medial form it is pronounced as bayab with bay alphabet, and in the final format it is called B. Now we see bari, letter bari. In independent format it is same as it is as an alphabet. In an initial form it don't have any initial format, and in the medial format with bay it is same like choti, mean to say choti and bari in medial form looks similar, okay, when they are in connected format. And at the end, in a final format with bay it looks like this one, which is called bay, okay. In medial form it is similar sound with bay and bay. With bari it is also the similar like choti, like bayab, okay. So this is the table, and now we study some more things here. Here are some words which we studied earlier. I am going to write it again, all these words in a connected form. You can see here, try to pronounce them aloud while I'm writing all these. So try to pronounce them, and I'll tell you their pronunciation at the end. I'm just writing all these words one by one, and we studied these words in our previous session with the diacritical marks. Now there are no diacritical marks over or under these words, so try to pronounce them, and I'll tell you their pronunciation at the end, okay. So I'm just going to write all these. So here are all the words. Try to pronounce them once again if you didn't pronounce while I was writing. So try again to pronounce all these. I become silent for a while, for a moment, and you will pronounce during that moment. then I'll pronounce all these for you. Okay, so now I pronounce all these for you again. The first one, this is wajib, wajib, with bay sound at the end, and this is kya, kya. We studied that. Generally it is pronounced as kya, but in some rare situations it is pronounced as kia as well. The next one is boo, boo, and after that it's G, G, then it's Asa, Asa, then it's or, then it's Tu, Tu, and sometimes it is pronounced as To as well. Mostly in all the context it is pronounced as Tu, but in some sentences it is pronounced as To as well. Next is Jane, Jane, then it's Pite, 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 then it's Bari, Bari, then it's Do, Do, and the last one is Vesa, Vesa. This is called Vesa, Vesa. So that's it in this video. We'll meet in next video inshallah. So all the best to all of you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.